Matter can undergo changes of two basic types: physical changes and chemical changes. So let's start explaining what do we mean by a physical change. A physical change is a change in which no new substances are formed. So, physical changes affect the form of the chemical substance but not its chemical composition. So, during a physical change, no new substances are formed. So, let's consider the famous example of the melting of ice. This changes water from solid state to the liquid state, but actually it is still water. For this reason, we consider melting ice as a physical change. What about a chemical change? A chemical change is a change in which new substances are formed. So, chemical changes affect the chemical composition. So, during a chemical change, a new substance will be formed. And the new substances that are formed, they have different properties than the original ones. Now let's consider photosynthesis as a given example for the chemical changes. This process actually exists in green plants. So, during this process, carbon dioxide and water react to make two new substances, sugar and oxygen. So, sugar and oxygen, they have different properties than carbon dioxide and water. So, when carbon dioxide and water reacted, they formed new substances. And this is a clear evidence that a chemical change happened. So, let's look at the given candle. The candle is made up of wax. When you lit this candle, it changes, or the wax changes into a liquid, but it is still wax. So, such kind of change is a physical change. However, some wax is burning. When it burns, the wax changes into new substances that are carbon dioxide and water. Burning is a chemical change. So, the candle in this case is undergoing two kinds of changes: the physical change and the chemical change.